Country Brick Ranch, convenient to Kerr Lake boat ramps and Clarksville. Whether you are looking for a place to call home sweet home, or a weekender near Kerr Lake, explore this opportunity. The 3-bedroom/2-bath home has 1.8 acres with board fencing and pastoral views of the neighbor's farm. Hardwood floors throughout. There is a formal living room and dining room, each with bifolds to close them off. The country-style kitchen is open to the den. The dishwasher and refrigerator are 1 year young. There is a wood stove to add warmth this winter. The master bedroom has an ensuite bath. The mudroom utility room is off the kitchen. There is a 2-car garage attached to the home plus a large barn, pet-friendly with running water to it. You are just minutes to the Bluestone Boat Ramp to get out and enjoy Kerr Lake.